Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to easily change a Jeep Grand Cherokee headlight. First, let's get prepared. You'll need a new headlight bulb and a flathead screwdriver. Always make sure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is set for safety. Now, look at the top of your headlight assembly. You should see two small retaining pins. These are key to our easy method. With your tools ready, let's remove the headlight assembly. Take your flathead screwdriver and carefully pry up the heads of those two retaining pins you just located. Once they are loose, pull both pins completely out. Make sure to keep them somewhere safe so they don't get lost. Now, with the pins removed, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward to slide it out. Now that the assembly is out, replacing the bulb is simple. Locate the old bulb at the back of the assembly. Twist it counterclockwise, about 1/4 of a turn, to unlock it. Gently pull the old bulb straight out. When handling the new bulb, try not to touch the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb and twist it clockwise to secure it. Finally, let's put everything back together. Carefully align the headlight assembly with its mounting points on the vehicle. Push it firmly back into place until it sits flush. Then, reinsert those two retaining pins through their holes at the top to secure the assembly. Once everything is snug, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to ensure it illuminates correctly. You've successfully changed your headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.